Have you ever dreamed of owning a home, building your credit score, or simply managing your finances better? And what if you're a non-resident alien or an expat struggling to navigate the complex world of U.S. financial systems? One of the biggest hurdles you might face is getting a Social Security number, SSN. But fear not, there might be a light at the end of the tunnel, the ITIN number. Today, we're diving deep into the question, does SoFi accept ITIN numbers? Let's unravel this together. Understanding ITIN. Before we delve into SoFi, let's quickly recap what an ITIN is. An individual taxpayer identification number, ITIN, is issued by the IRS to individuals who are not eligible for a Social Security number but need a tax identification number. Think of it as a temporary passport to the U.S. financial world. The challenge for non-residents. Now, the big question, why is this important? Well, for non-resident aliens, securing financial services in the U.S. can be a daunting task. Many financial institutions are hesitant to onboard clients without an SSN. This can limit your options for everything from opening a bank account to getting a mortgage. SoFi, a brief overview. SoFi, a financial technology company, has gained significant popularity for offering a range of financial products, including personal loans, student loan refinancing, mortgages, and investing. But do they extend a welcoming hand to those with ITINs? Does SoFi accept ITIN? Unfortunately, there is no straightforward, black and white answer to this question. SoFi's policies can change, and specific requirements might vary based on the financial product you're seeking. To get the most accurate and up-to-date information, your best bet is to visit SoFi's website, check their eligibility criteria for each product. While they might not explicitly mention ITINs, you can look for alternative identification requirements or contact their customer support. Contact SoFi directly, don't hesitate to reach out to SoFi's customer support. They can provide the most precise information about your specific situation. Alternative options. While we await a definitive answer from SoFi, let's explore some alternative financial institutions that are known to be more ITIN-friendly. Option 1, online-only banks. Option 2, credit unions. Option 3, community banks. Building credit with an ITIN. Establishing credit history is crucial for financial well-being. While it might be more challenging with an ITIN, it's not impossible. Here are some tips. Secured credit cards. Rent reporting services. Utility bills. Final thoughts. Navigating the U.S. financial landscape with an ITIN can be frustrating, but it's not insurmountable. Remember, every financial situation is unique. What works for one person might not work for another. Always do your research, compare options, and don't be afraid to ask questions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.